Can you guess the feminine? Before I reveal it, let's get started. Boy. In Urdu, we say ladka, and it's feminine, girl. Ladki. Man. Admi. Women. औरत. Father. बाप. Mother. माँ. Son. बेटा. Daughter. बेटी. Brother. भाई. Sister. बहन. Uncle. चचा. Aunt. चची. Husband. Shohar, or you can say it khawand. Wife. Biwi. Now move on to the next. Grandfather. Dada. And grandmother. Dadi. Male. Admi. And female. औरत. Uncle. Mamu. And aunt. Mamani. Grandson, you can say it Nawasa, and granddaughter means Nawasi. Son-in-law is Damad, and daughter-in-law is called Bahu. Male cousin means cousin, and female cousin means ladki cousin. Child male means bacha, and child female means bachi. So this was the masculine feminine part 1, family. We will learn more masculine and feminine in our next parts. Stay with me, and if you like the video, do subscribe the channel for more educational content like this. See you in the next part.